Hello grade 11s. Let's have a look at predicting some outcomes. Okay, now at a car park there are a total of 100 vehicles. And they tell us that 60 of these are cars. They tell us that 30 are minibus taxis. And the remainder of the cars are trucks. Now, if every vehicle is equally likely to leave, we want to find the probability of a few things. Let's have a look at the first one. Okay, so we want to find the probability of a minibus taxi leaving first. Okay, so we know that we have got a total of 100 vehicles. Okay, and how many of them are minibuses? 30 of them are minibuses. In other words, the problem of it being a minibus taxi, let's just call it a taxi here, is going to be 30 out of 100. Okay, now this is a nice one to write as a percentage because percentage is per 100. In other words, there's a 30% chance of a taxi leaving first. Okay, secondly, let's have a look at what the probability is of a truck leaving first. Okay, so now we need to know how many trucks we've got. So if we have a look here, we've got a total of 100, 60 cars and 30 taxis gives us 90, which gives us trucks must be a total of 10 because we have to add up to 100. Okay, so let's see a probability of a truck leaving first. Okay, so probability of a truck is going to be 10 out of 100, which is going to be 10% as a percentage. Okay, let's have a look at our third one. Now this one is a little bit more complicated. Okay, we want to find the probability of a car leaving second. Okay, a car leaving second if either a truck or a taxi left first. A truck or taxi left first. Okay, so this is quite a complicated problem. Okay, so let's have a look. If a truck or a taxi left first, okay, then how many vehicles are going to be left? Okay, so after these leave, one of these leave, there are only going to be 99 vehicles left in the parking lot. Okay, so our probability of a car leaving second, okay, a car leaving second is going to be, how many cars did we have? We've got 60 cars. Okay, so it's going to be 60 cars out of a total of 99 vehicles. Okay, so we can simplify this. Let's use our calculator. Okay, so it's going to be 60 divided by 99. And I'm going to do it as a percentage because all the other answers I gave as percentages. Okay, so if we round off to one decimal place, it's going to be 60.6%. Okay, so that was quite a difficult second part there. Okay, now let's have a look at another question that predicts how many people we're going to have at an event. Okay, so our question is going to go like this. Right, in the school gala last year, 60 of the 72 grade 11s took part. Now, if there are 82 grade 11s this year, how many are likely to take a part in the gala? Okay, so how many are likely to take part? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to work out the percentage of grade 11s that took part last year, and then work out what that percentage is of this 82. Okay, so let's have a look at last year. Okay, so last year it's going to be 60 out of 72. Let's change it into a percentage. Okay, let's see what that gives us. Okay, so it's going to be 60 divided by 72, multiply by 100 to get a percentage. Okay, so it gives us 83.33%. Okay, we'll write it down just to 2 decimal places. Okay, so now what's going to happen this year? So what we do is we assume that the same percentage is going to take part. So we're now going to work out what this 83.33% of 82 is, which is how many grade 11s there are this year. Now I'm going to use this full amount that I've got here to get the most accurate possible answer. Okay, so we're going to that number. Right, so now we need to get 83.33, and we want that as a percentage multiplied by 82, which is the number that we've got this year. Okay, so it gives us 68.33. Okay, so this is 68.33 people. So obviously we're going to round this off, and it's closer to 68. So we're going to say, okay, 68 grade 11s will take part this year. And look at your homework question now. A company produces 500 cars every day. It is known that for every 500 cars, 9 of them are defective. Now, if a rental company buys 35 cars, how many of those cars may be defective?